Whoa, whoa, a miracle's about to happen. I am actually going to clean our muck spreader and our Massey, the muckiest tractors on the farm. You might know, some of you always say, where's the Massey? What's he doing? Well, we always leave it on the muck spreader. It's a bit of a luxury, but it's always worked for us. So we're going to clean it today. Look at this. Look how dirty it is. Poor thing is pure filth. Look at that. Pure filth. Wheels. And then I got a load of muck take out. I might take that out first actually. Pure filth. Oh my god, look at that. And look at that. So, what I'm planning to do is I'm actually going to soak it. What's that bit of twig? I'm actually going to just soak it with a hose pipe. Just because it'll soften everything up for coming off. And then hopefully, when I do blast it off with a pressure washer, it'll all come off quite easy. Just give it a rinse. I'll be back in a sec. Get my hose pipe. Let's go. The mucked bit is probably the hardest bit to get off. Ideally you do this when it's been raining, so this has all been wet for quite a while. Look at that, that's really baked on. Mind me, that's going to take a bit more than just a bit of soaking, I think. Let's see that. Oh my goodness aunt. That probably won't even soak through. See, even already the name's starting to show up. I just do that with a hose pipe, so it should clean up quite quickly. Right, I'll turn that off. Right, I'll come back to that in a little bit. I've left that about an hour or two, doing other jobs. I did actually take the load of muck out, but I didn't film that bit. I've got the old, good old Titan here. It's a Titan. She's a Titan, she is. I got this from Screwfix. Actually, it's not been a bad buy really for the money. Not expensive, about 100 quid I think. Right, I'm gonna right, I better just plug the water in on that, I think. Right, let's get started. I'm gonna do the tractor first because that's probably priority for me on here. Oh, all cabled up. Right, let's crack on. Look at the difference in colour there, it's amazing. This is probably the worst bit. Well, it looks loads better, but I'm already bored of doing this already. I don't know, you either like doing these sort of jobs, you don't. I'm not a big fan of pressure washing. I sort of think it's a means to an end, but I wouldn't want to do it all loads. I know car valeters have to do it all the time, fair play to them, they earn their money, I always think that. I'm just going to wash my lens off a minute. Does it get splashback here? Right. Right, I'm just doing this back side now, this side. Flipping lance won't reach very far. I've got to reverse this back a bit. It's a bit annoying. And I've got to try not to run over the yard scraper. Right, we're on the home run now. I'm getting bored of this. Let's see what happens with the muck spreader. I don't know whether I'm going to have time for it to do it or not. Let's crack on. Right, battery's about to fail. I'm soaking wet. I've done the tractor. Look at this. It's pretty clean enough. But basically, I think I'm going to quit. Oh, I've missed that bit. Never mind. That'll be all right. This will have to wait for another day. The big bad boy. It's getting it's raining. I've had enough. I want to get in for my lunch. I've had a few phone calls. I've got issues I've got to go and deal with. Relief Milk, I can't make it. So you can see here, look, that's got to be done. Right, you can tell I'm a bit stressed. I've got to get on with sorting stuff out now. Cover for the weekend. Right, so tractor clean. Much better not clean. It lives to fight another day. All right, anyway, crack on slowly-ish. All right, chisel.